Hey creators, building strong customer relationships is key to growing your business. In this video, I'll show you how to use CRM in the Creator Store to track customer activity, manage outreach, and boost sales with personalized communication. So let's go ahead and dive in. To get to your CRM, you're going to go ahead and click the left navigation and you're going to select CRMs. Let's get started with the All Customers section. You can track your customer activity, seeing how your customers are engaging with your products. You can view your purchase history by filtering product, purchase amount, or last order date. You can manage your subscriptions to check if a customer is subscribed or unsubscribed. And you can access all customer details, getting key information like emails, transactions, and order status. This makes it super easy to get a clear picture of your customer base and tailor your offerings to your needs. So let's move on to our outreach section, which is the second part of our CRM tool. In the outreach feature, it lets you send automated emails and broadcasts to your customers. This is a great way to stay connected and to also drive loyalty. So to begin, we're going to talk about our flows. With automated flows, you can set up emails that trigger based off of customer reactions. Here are some key flows you can use. We have the purchase flow, which allows you to send a thank you email after a purchase. We have our abandoned cart flow, which reminds customers to complete their order. We have our welcome flow, which introduces new customers to your brand. And we have our e-course follow-up flow, which engages customers who purchased online courses. And of course, you can even customize these flows for specific products, making your emails feel. And you can also customize these flows for specific products, making your emails feel like they're more personal. So let's go ahead and see what one of our flows would look like. I'm going to select the welcome flow. And here you would come in, you can edit this title if you'd like to. I'm going to begin with determining which customers this flow is going to trigger for. And you can select that based off of your products that are already created. You can also decide to include previous customers. This would include any customers that have already taken these actions before you had this triggered workflow. Once you select that, you're going to go ahead and select Create Workflow. On the left-hand side, you'll see all of the emails that will go off based off of the triggers and the time frames in which they will go out. You can decide to add emails or you can remove any emails from this flow if you'd like. On the right-hand side is where you will find each email. It will include the customer's name and also your name at the bottom of the email. You want to be sure to complete the information inside of those brackets so that it is customized to your product or your brand. Once this is done, if you want to send yourself a test to see what the email would look like, you can select Send Test, and that will go directly to your email address on your account. Once that is done, you can select Publish, and those emails will begin to trigger based off of your customers' actions on your site. And you can view all of the flows that you have set up at the moment right here under the flow column. Let's move on to broadcasting, which is perfect for sending a one-time message to all or some of your customers. Within our broadcast flow, you can announce new products or services. You can share important updates. You can send special offers or promotions, or you can ask for customer feedback. In this case, we'll choose the promotion. I'm going to select Next. You'll see your customers. Again, this is based off of your products, depending on which customers you would like these emails to go out to. You can decide to choose one or more products. That is all up to you. And then in here, you will have your email template at the bottom, which you can update and change as needed based off of your brand. Again, if you'd like to send that test email, you can go ahead and do that so you can see what your customer's experience would be like. But if you don't need to send the test, then you can go ahead and send out your broadcast to your customers. Once that is done, you can begin to see the progress of the broadcasted email, showing how many it was sent to, the delivered percentage, as well as the number of opens and clicks. And that's how CRM in the Creator Store helps you manage and connect with your customers. So whether you're tracking sales, organizing customer data, or sending out targeted emails, these features make it easy to grow your business. If you have any questions or need help, our support team is always here for you. Just visit us at our Contact Us page. Thanks for watching and happy creating.